Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another credit card unboxing video. This time, this is probably the best credit card that I've got so far, and this is ICICI Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card. Now, this is a very premium credit card, and this is usually compared with cards like Infinia and the top end credit cards. I tried so much with HDFC Bank, but they just refused to give me Infinia card. So I have here ICICI Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card. Like I said, this is one of the premium credit cards. First, I'll do the unboxing, guys. So I've just got this cutter here, and this is the credit card itself. And I'm just going to mask my address. It says private and confidential. So this is the box that I've just received. Actually, I just received 30 minutes before. I didn't want to waste any time, so I will unbox this in this video, and I'll give you why. I'll also give you a lot of information on this, especially related to travel. I'll make a dedicated video on these features, but I'll unbox this and tell you what are those insane benefits, travel benefits that you're getting out of the box. So I'll just unbox this. I'll just keep the cutter to the side. I think that's not needed anymore. Alright, the packaging looks very good. And here you go, guys. Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card. I hope you can see my screen properly on this. I'll try to focus it and keep it for a very long time so you can see it. So basically here, they've got my address and details, my name and address. And this is the Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card itself. So the packaging looks 10 out of 10. I'll give this 10 out of 10. No doubt about it. The packaging really looks good. So I'll just open this. What else is there in the box? So I'm just keeping this to the side, and you have another kind of a folder here. I think I'll have to open this as well. How is this? Yeah, okay, got it. So this is like the folder, and you just have to open it this way. So I have my priority pass and the credit card itself. So the packaging looks like this, and they'll just keep this to the side. And this is basically, I'll just remove this and show it to you on the screen. So this is Emeralde Private Metal Credit Card. I hope you can see the screen. And this is the priority pass. I'm just hiding all the details, guys. I don't want to get scammed. So all these credit card details are very confidential. So I'm just going to keep this to the side. And they've given nice like kind of explanation about the card, which is very nice. And they've also given activation details as well. Activation details and about the card, and specifically about the offers of this card. And they have a lot more of this. So how to use this in the iShop, etc. And they have got this all in the box. So basically you have, that's it. And I'm just going to keep this to the side. And this is the booklet they've given, basically explaining everything about the card. So I'll keep everything to the side, guys. This is basically what all is there in this card. So they've explained what is what, and the golf and all those things. You have 1 night free stay, etc. So now I'm going to take this credit card itself in my hand. So this is the Emerald. It feels really good, guys. It feels really good when you hold this. It's a metal credit card, and my first impression is like 10 on 10 in terms of feel of this card, because I have not used a metal card till now. Whatever I have, Regalia Gold or Atlas or MyZone or Amazon Pay or Flipkart Axis Bank credit card, all are just normal credit cards. Nothing is more premium than this. So what is special about this credit card? So first of all, let me tell you, the eligibility is a bit difficult to get this card. You have to meet a lot of eligibility criteria, and you have to check a lot of boxes basically to get this credit card. The second thing is, this credit card has an annual fees of 12,500 rupees plus GST. So that is also in the, like I said, this is a premium card. And the next big thing that I want to talk about in terms of travel, guys, because I am focused more on travel, and the travel related information that I want to give you is this has got unlimited domestic airport lounges for the primary card holder and add-on card holders. So if you have 3 add-on card holders, everyone gets unlimited free domestic lounges. You can use it how many ever times you want. The second biggest thing about this card is unlimited international airport lounges for the primary card holder and add-on card holders. That's why they have given the priority pass, as you can see on my screen. That's why they have given the priority pass and your credit card. So they've given both together. Now, if I register my wife or someone in my family to use this as an add-on card, definitely they can use it as well, no problem, and they will get free international lounge. Even without me, they can take this add-on card. If they apply add-on card for my wife, even if when I'm not there, she can go to the airport. If she is going with her friends, she can still use this and get free airport lounges, which is really insane. And the best part about this is there is something called as iShop, like how we have in HDFC, how we have Smart Buy portal. There, here in ICICI, we have something called as iShop, where you get 6x points for flight bookings and 12x points for hotel bookings. There is so many features, ton of features about this credit card. I am only explaining about the travel, guys, not anything else. And also this has got some milestone benefits as well. Now, if you're spending 8 lakhs, you get 3,000 rupees worth Ease My Trip vouchers, which is very, very good in my opinion. I've not seen any card give 3,000 or 4,000 worth of vouchers based on a criteria spend. And also, if you spend more than 10 lakhs, I'll try to put it on my screen, the first year fees is waived off. Now, if you're spending more than 10 lakhs on this card, which is highly possible, if you're paying small stuff, even small stuff on your credit card, even payment, insurance bills, all bills, etc. I'm not talking about points here. Just to cross the limit, if you spend more than 10 lakhs, your 12,500 rupees plus GST annual fees is waived off. So this, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a very, very premium card, and this is very, very high end card. This is compared to Infinia, HDFC's Infinia, where everybody wants to get their hands on it, but nobody I know has really got Infinia card. Only few people that I know have got this. Most people have tried like me and have failed miserably, and HDFC Bank did not show any kind of sympathy towards giving this card. Even if I am a 10-year-old HDFC Bank customer, I have salary account with HDFC Bank, investments with HDFC Bank, nothing was considered when I tried to apply for Infinia credit card. So I hope this unboxing, all the stuff, whatever I showed you guys was pretty informative. This is what we get, was pretty informative. So I'll make a dedicated video on other things of this credit card, like points conversion, etc. So please stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video.